So another type of function that we can look at is an algebraic function. So what is an algebraic function? An algebraic function is building on the idea of rationals. So we kind of started with polynomials, we grew from there into rationals. Now we're going to look at algebraic. So an algebraic function is produced by taking, you can take all different things. You could take sums, you could take products, differences, and quotients of roots of polynomials and rational functions. The roots of polynomials and rational functions. So really, I know this is a pretty technical definition, really what we're doing is introducing the idea of a root. So maybe a fifth root or a third root, or really any sort of fraction of an exponent. So a couple of examples here. I could have the square root of x minus 2 over 3x plus x to the negative 5/3. Now why is this an algebraic function? Because this is a root of a rational function, and I'm adding to it the root of a polynomial. This doesn't look like a root necessarily, but anytime I have a fraction as an exponent, that is a root. So this says raise it to the fifth power, take the negative 1/3 root, or sorry, take the cube root, and so this is definitely a root. So anytime I have a fraction in the exponent, that is a root. So this is an algebraic function. Different example, maybe let's let g of x be 1 over x squared minus 3x squared plus the cube root of x minus 2 over x. Now why is this an algebraic function? Well, this one's definitely the root of a rational function. Remember, rational was polynomial over polynomial, so this is a third root, definitely a root of a rational number. Here I have a polynomial, so that one's fine. What about this first one though? Is this a root, or is this a rational function, or what is this? Well, you can see this is actually just a rational function. Or if you wanted to write it in a different way, this is also x to the minus 2. So you can see that that kind of is a root, because we can introduce all these negative exponents, and those are fine now because those are rational functions. So this is also an algebraic function. So for algebraic functions, we're just introducing the idea of roots. So now we can have fractions as our exponents, or we can write them as radicals. Either way, they're roots, and so that's an algebraic function.